Navigating the path to a faster green card. How to secure your U.S. green card in just 1 year. Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast Workforce Workshop. Today, you are diving into a topic that's of great interest to many aspiring immigrants, the United States green card. Specifically, we'll explore strategies to expedite the green card process and potentially secure your green card in just 1 year. I'm your host Shiraz Kelly, and let's dive right in. Understanding the green card process. Before we discuss expediting the green card process, let's first understand the typical steps involved. The green card, officially known as lawful permanent residency, allows individuals to live and work permanently in the United States. The process usually involves sponsorship by an employer or a family member, or through a special category such as asylum or investment. Employment-based green cards. One of the most common paths to a green card is through employment sponsorship. Certain employment-based categories such as the EB-1A for individuals with extraordinary ability or EB-2NW national interest waiver for those with exceptional abilities allow for expedited processing and can potentially lead to a green card within a year. Family-based green cards. Another option is to obtain a green card through a family sponsorship. Immediate relative of a U.S. citizen such as spouses, parents, and married children under 21 are eligible for expedited processing. Additionally, the K-1 fiancé visa allows individuals engaged to United States citizens to enter the U.S. and apply for a green card after marriage, potentially expediting the process as well. DiversityVisa Lottery Program. The DiversityVisa DV Lottery Program, also known as the Green Card Lottery, offers a limited number of green cards to individuals from countries with low rates of immigration to the United States. Participating in the DV lottery can be a way to expedite the green card process for eligible applicants, although selection is based on random chance. Investing in the EB-5 program. For individuals with significant financial resources, the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program offers a pathway to green card through investment in the United States. By investing a specified amount of capital and creating jobs for U.S. workers, investors and their immediate family members can obtain conditional green cards, which can lead to permanent residency within a year. Seeking special categories. In certain circumstances, individuals may qualify for expedited processing through special categories such as asylum, refugee status, or U visa for victims of crimes. These categories offer humanitarian relief and can potentially lead to a green card within a year for eligible applicants. Working with an immigration attorney. Navigating the green card process can be complex, and working with an experienced immigration attorney can be valuable. An attorney can assess your eligibility, help you choose the most appropriate pathway, and guide you through the application process, potentially expediting your green card timeline and increasing your chances of success. In conclusion, securing a green card in just 1 year is an ambitious goal, but with the right strategy and guidance, it can be achievable, whether through employment sponsorship, family-based sponsorship, the DiversityVisa lottery, investment, or specific categories. There are various of pathways to permanent residency in the United States. If you are considering pursuing a green card, I encourage you to research your options, consult with an immigration attorney, and take proactive steps towards achieving your goals. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on immigration, citizenship, and navigating life in the United States. And if you have any questions or topic you would like us to cover in future episodes, feel free to write them in the comment below. Until next time, take care and best of luck on your journey to securing your US green card.